The Dewalt 61147S pressure washer is a powerful tool, delivering 3,300 pounds per square inch at 2.4 gallons per minute, making it ideal for heavy-duty residential cleaning tasks. Equipped with a reliable Dewalt 208 cubic centimeter engine, this pressure washer is designed for easy starts and consistent performance. Its durable construction features a welded, powder-coated steel frame and 10-inch pneumatic tires, ensuring longevity and ease of mobility over rough surfaces. The unit includes 5 quick-connect nozzles, allowing users to customize the spray intensity for various cleaning needs such as patios, siding, and outdoor furniture. A 25-foot MorFlex high-pressure hose is included, which is both non-marring and abrasion-resistant, paired with an ergonomic spray gun and a 16-inch steel wand for comfortable handling. This pressure washer is compliant in 49 states and is factory tested, highlighting its reliability and readiness for immediate use.